This is a tutorial on how to set clocks on presentation. The way to start is to open clocks on presentation 1. There's a little clock button in the top of ProPresenter, and here you can put in times. There's service, there's to service, to worship, and to video announcements. And the place that you find these clock times are either on this board or on a service guide. For the time, you just put in whatever time that you're, whatever service is happening, such as 5 p.m. That shows the countdown to the service. And then worship, you can just put in your duration of the worship and of video announcement, and that'll be on clock 2 and 3. And then just reset all, and they'll go to this. And then whenever you get to a certain point in the song, they'll start, or you'll have to click the start all.